Welcome to Infomedia. In this video, we discuss about cybercrime. Cybercrime is an energetic term that refers to all criminal activities done using the medium of computers, the internet, cyberspace, and the World Wide Web. Cybercrime can be basically divided into three categories. Cybercrime against persons. This includes hacking, email spoofing, cyberstalking, child pornography. Cybercrime against property. This includes computer vandalism, theft of computer system, theft of internet hours, transmitting of virus, cyber squatting, intellectual property crimes, etc. Cybercrime against government. This includes cyber terrorism, distribution of pirated software, denial of service attack against government maintained website. Different cyber crimes. Hacking. Hacking means an illegal intrusion into a computer system and network. Every act committed towards breaking into a computer or a network is hacking. Webjacking. This occurs when someone forcefully takes a control of a website by cracking the password and later changing it. Denial of service. Denial of service is an act by the criminal who floods the bandwidth of the victim's network. Salami attack. A salami attack is usually used for the purpose of committing financial crimes. In the salami technique, cybercriminals steals money or resources a bit at a time. A single transaction of this kind would usually go completely unnoticed. Phishing. Phishing is a fraudulent attempt usually made through email to steal your personal information such as usernames, password, and credit details, card details. Virus attack. A computer virus is a program or piece of code that is loaded onto your computer without your knowledge and runs against your wishes. These programs can cause your computer not to function correctly. All computer viruses are man-made. Virus dissemination. It just means spreading a computer virus. Trojan attack. A Trojan is malicious application that looks like a helpful program, but whose real purpose is, for example, to grant a hacker unauthorized access to a computer. Logic bombs. These are event-dependent programs. This implies that these programs are created to do something only when a certain event occurs. Cyberstalking. Cyberstalking is the use of the internet or other electronic means to stalk or harass an individual, a group of individuals, or an organization. Cyber squatting. Cyber squatting is the act of registering a famous domain name, usually a company name, and then selling it for money to its rightful owner. Data diddling. This kind of an attack involves altering raw data just before it is processed by a computer and then changing it back after the processing is completed. Software piracy. Theft of software through illegal copying of genuine programs or the counterfeiting and distribution of products intended to pass for the original. Identity theft. Identity theft is a form of stealing someone's identity in which someone pretends to be someone else. Identity theft occurs when an unauthorized party uses your personality identifying information such as your name, address, credit card, or bank account information to assume your identity in order to commit fraud or other criminal acts. Computer or cyber vandalism. Damaging or destroying data rather than stealing or misusing them is called cyber vandalism. Internet time theft. Internet time theft comes under the heading of hacking. It is the use of internet surfing time of the victim by an unauthorized person. Cyber pornography, transmitting sexual pictures or videos via electronic devices or through internet. Data theft. Data theft is a term used to describe when information is illegally copied or taken from a business or from an individual. It also involves copying data from a computer using CD, DVD, pen drive, etc. without the knowledge of its owner. Intellectual property rights violation. Intellectual property is a legal term that refers to creation of the mind. Cyber terrorism, use of computer or internet in terrorist activities.